In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see only at Walmart 2026, step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and go to walmart.com. Give the homepage a moment to load so all the navigation options appear. This is where we'll access the section that highlights products you can only find at Walmart, including exclusive brands and special bundles. Next, make sure you're signed in to your Walmart account. Look toward the top right of the page for the account or sign in option. Once you're logged in, Walmart can show you accurate pricing and availability based on your location, which is especially helpful when you're browsing exclusive items that may have limited stock. If you're already signed in, you'll see your account icon or name there. Below your account profile area, focus on the main navigation across the top of the site. You'll see categories and shortcuts to different parts of Walmart. Find the option labeled More. On desktop, it appears along the top menu. On mobile, you may need to tap the menu icon first to expand all categories, then look for More in that list. Click More to open additional browsing options. In that expanded list, select Only at Walmart. This link takes you straight to Walmart's dedicated page featuring exclusive items and brands that are carried only by Walmart. Click it and the page will load with a curated collection. Here on the Only at Walmart page, you can explore exclusive brands and everyday low prices that are unique to this retailer. You'll often see familiar categories like home, electronics, toys, beauty, and groceries, each highlighting products with an Only at Walmart badge or descriptor. If you're not seeing localized results, check that your pickup store or delivery zip code is set correctly near the top of the page for accurate availability. From here, browse the brands and essentials available only at Walmart. Use the filters on the left or at the top to narrow by category, price, brand, or customer rating. The search bar also works within this page, so you can type what you're looking for and still stay within the exclusive selection. When you open a product, look for the Only at Walmart call out on the product page to confirm it's part of this collection. You can compare sizes or colors, read reviews, and check whether it's available for pickup, delivery, or shipping in your area. If you find something you like, add it to your cart or save it to a list to review later, and that's it. By going to walmart.com, signing in, opening More, and selecting Only at Walmart, you can quickly find exclusive brands and deals that you won't see anywhere else.